Hey guys, this is Sahil from helpfull.com, and in this video I will show you how to check the permission you have granted to Snapchat app. So if you want to check the permission you have granted to Snapchat app, you can do it easily by clicking on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now you will see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the setting option at the top right corner. After this you need to scroll down, and after scrolling at the bottom you will find a option called permission. Click on it. Now here you will see all permission you have granted to the Snapchat app. Like I have granted the permission of camera, contact, location, microphone, phone, and I can also enable the permission for call log also. So this is the way to control the permission of your Snapchat app. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to check the permission of your Snapchat app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.